The global includes all levels, so how are we going to feed a population of 9.5 billion people by 2050? And then we have a few other questions that get down more to the local level. So what is the next 50 years going to look like in Western Illinois? What is the food culture or the food security state of Monmouth, Illinois, or even at Monmouth College? So we're going to take the global to the local level because this is an issue that doesn't just happen far away. This is something that happens in all of our communities, whether we can see it or not, and for the most part, we can't see it. It's a liberal arts approach to solving a world challenge. So we have a lot of different disciplines and communicating across those lines, and we're working together, and we're working with people from any department on campus. Anybody can have an interest and a voice in finding a solution to these kind of problems. I think the ideal student for the Global Food Security Triad is a student of any major who wants to be able to think critically and use many different skills and tools to solve a big practical problem. Depending on what the student's major is, they can go toward international development or public health or any sort of social science research on these issues, maybe social work, working at a community food bank or any other community development. So there's a wide variety of options, which is part of the interdisciplinary nature of it, and that's liberal arts in action.